Hi, I'm Susan, and I'm a fourth-year anatomical pathology resident. I published a paper last year in Virchow's archive with Dr. Elizabeth D'Amico called What's New in Fibroblastic Tumors. So this is a review paper where we look at what's changed over the past decade in terms of our knowledge of the large group of tumors that develop from fibroblasts or myofibroblasts, which are cells that are incredibly versatile but not very well understood. It's really difficult to stay on top of all of the advances in this field, so the purpose of this paper is to provide a summary that pathologists or other physicians can use to make sure they're up to date on these tumors. There have been a lot of important developments in our understanding of these tumors over the past 10 years. For example, several new types of tumors have been identified, mainly by using molecular techniques that identify new genetic alterations. And there have also been discoveries in how to diagnose and treat these tumors, as well as how to determine their prognoses. So, for example, how likely is a tumor to recur after it's been treated, or how likely is it to spread? These discoveries are incredibly important because a critical role of pathologists is being able to provide accurate diagnoses as well as whatever additional information they can that will help determine what kind of treatment a patient should receive and the prognosis of their disease. My role in this paper was first to go through a decade or so worth of literature on fibroblastic tumors and summarize it to help us identify the most important papers. I then drafted the paper and worked with Dr. D'Amico, who is a world expert in bone and soft tissue pathology, to improve it and make it as helpful and as relevant as possible for the readers. My favorite part of writing this paper was getting to delve into the literature on these tumors and learning more about them. Fibroblasts and myofibroblasts have always fascinated me, and the advancements we summarize in this review really have the potential to change people's lives. But there is also so much more about them that we still don't understand. So I'm really excited to see what the next decade will bring in terms of discoveries related to fibroblasts and myofibroblasts. And I am especially looking forward to being part of these discoveries.